everyone and welcome back to my channel. On my previous video you can see how to replace the interior lights using LED lights. Now you are gonna see in this video how to install LED lights in the exterior of your truck, including the reverse, cargo bed and license plate lights.
If the LED light doesn't work, probably is inverted, so the only thing you have to do is just remove and install in the other direction, and that should work.
To replace the reverse lights, first remove the two bolts holding the tail light. I started with the driver's side, but the process will be the same for both sides. With the two bolts out, pull the tail light to the outside direction, starting in the top side. Then pull the tail light from the bottom section while holding it with the other hand. Now locate the reverse light, twist it counterclockwise and pull it to the outside. Once removed, pull the light. Very important, if the light was on recently, it can be very hot, so be careful with it. Now proceed to install the LED light. In my case, this light hasn't polarity, so it can be installed in any way. Now it's time to install the tailgate light back into the original position by following the reverse process. When finished, repeat the same steps in the passenger side. There are two ways to replace the license plate lights. The first one is to replace it without removing the light base, and the other one is to pull the light base from the back side to the outside. I highly recommend the second option because it's more comfortable to work with it. Also considering that the LED light has polarity and you need to pay attention on how you install it. So working it from the rear side is going to be more comfortable. In this video I kept the light on for illustration purposes, but please don't do that, it's going to be very hot. Now proceed to install the LED light. In my case, the positive indicator in the LED light is aligned to the white cable from the harness. Now install the light connector, and when it is in position, twist it clockwise. Put the light base back into position and push it. When you hear the click, that means it is in place. Now repeat these steps in the other license plate light. Okay, now it's time to replace the cargo bed lights. Remove the 4 bolts located in the front side of the cargo bed light. Once removed, pull reflector to the outside and be careful with the rubber joint. Now remove the cargo bed lights. Now proceed to install the LED lights. Now turn the cargo bed lights on and make sure that both lights are working as expected. Otherwise, remember that this light has polarity and probably those are inverted. So in that case, you just need to remove it and install it the other way. Okay, if everything worked as expected, now make sure that the rubber joint is in position. Then install the reflector and the 4 bolts. This is the before and after comparison. I really like it how it looks now, and in addition to the illumination is way much better now. I'm very happy with it. So this is the end of the video. If you like it, hit that like button below. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing a lot of more modifications. I already did some. If you didn't see it so far, I invite you to take a look at it and provide any comment and feedback. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.